Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Sindhu. How are you? Am I audible to you, Sindhus?
Yes, ma'am. Good. How are you?
Good evening. I'm good. Okay, so now I hope everybody joined. I think others won't be joining. So let's just start. Okay, we will be starting from the third one. Okay, so the third one says, in the third question, the question says, if triangle ABC and triangle FED, do you know what is the sign equals to and this? This
Yes,
is a sign of congruence.
congruent.
Right? Instead of mentioning that this triangle is congruent to this triangle, you can just simply put the sign. Okay. Under the correspond that ABC is FED. Right? This you have to draw. Write all the corresponding congruent part of the triangle. Clear? For example, I said this is a
I don't
triangle.
get.
Yes, I'm telling you. For example, I said ABC is a triangle and PQR is a triangle. Okay. I said they both are congruent. Clear? Right? If I mention this, then what you have to tell, you have to tell me that yes, ma'am, okay, they are the congruent. That means their pairs are equal. Right? How I need to prove? Now you have to mention that, ma'am, this AB would be equals to PQ. Right? This AC
Ma'am, we
would,
have to write all the
yes, all
congruent
the,
angles.
yes, three needed. So 1, 2, and then BC, QR, right? And then last you will write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Fine?
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what you have
Clear.
to do, this is
Yes,
what you
ma'am.
have to do in this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? This one. Triangle, they are congruent, and this you will draw the figure and then you have to write. Clear?
Okay.
Hmm.
Ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, sometimes you also mention it separately, like right, like
Yes.
angle A
Angles
is
you will
equal to angle.
separately mention, and this sides you will separately mention. Okay, you have to mention both angle as well as sides. So first you will mention sides. You will write corresponds between sides and then corresponds angle. Clear?
Okay, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm done.
Done, ma'am. We both are done.
Okay, so tell me the angles corresponds.
Ma'am, AB is
Ma'am,
equal
AB
to
equal to FE.
AC is equal to FD and BC is equal to ED.
And
Yes,
what
ma'am.
about angles? And angle.
Angle ABC is equal to angle FED.
Angle A, angle F, angle B, angle
B,
E,
angle
angle C,
E,
and
angle C, angle D. Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Now this one, next
Ma'am,
one.
we'll write it separately, right? Like angle
Yes,
A is
separately.
equal
First
to
you will
angle
mention,
E.
yes, first you will mention the angles. Okay, the corresponds angle. Okay, and then the correspond sides. Clear? 1, 2, 3, and here also 1, 2, 3. Clear?
Okay.
Now you will do the fourth one. If these two triangles are congruent, you have to tell me that angle E will be equals correspond to what? Angle, first draw the triangles. Okay, and then write the answers. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Both of you?
Ma'am, I didn't get it how to do it.
See, over here in this question, question number 4, they have already given that these two triangles, DEF and BCA, they are congruent. So you will draw the triangle, this triangle and this triangle. Then you have to tell angle E is correspond to what angle? Okay.
So we have to write angle D and then we have to draw the diagram and right?
Yes, so that it will be easy for you to compare, right?
Okay, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm done.
Done, ma'am.
So tell me the answers.
Ma'am, we should like angle is congruent to angle F like that.
Yes,
Or
the
like we have to write opposite.
Ma'am, I thought
The
it was angle A equals angle C.
yes,
Comparing
it is
both of
angle
them.
E is equals to angle C only.
Ma'am, but so this is
angle
angle
B
E
is
equals
equal to angle C, right?
Yes,
Or
yes.
angle E is equal to angle F.
No, angle E equals to C. When you will write it, it will be like this. D, E, F, and here it will be B, C, A. Right? So angle E would be equals to angle C, right?
Yes, ma'am, I was a little bit confused because like you didn't give any like you have to give two angles, right? So I thought like angle E is equal to angle F, like that
No,
one.
no, 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 no. You have to compare the first diagram with the second diagram. So over here, if angle E is written, what in the same side, angle C is there, na? So that's why they both will be equal. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Next, angle EF is equals to CA
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
or
it's
AC.
line segment, right?
Yes. Okay. Angle
Okay.
F, angle A, and
Yes, ma'am.
angle
A.
EF, B, right? Or AB,
Yes.
right? Clear?
Ma'am,
Mhm.
BCA.
Huh?
Uh,
The last
okay,
one would
nothing.
be BF is equals to corresponds to BA, right? Because this side would be
Yeah.
equal to this side only, na? Angle F would be equals to angle A. Yes. And EF was this side would be equals to this CF. Clear?
No, ma'am, I mistakenly wrote B, C, and D one more in the
No.
other.
It's BCD, na? They have already given it. It's not ABC. It's BCD. So BCD. Clear? Sorry, BCA. not
Yeah, ma'am.
BCD. Clear? Okay, okay. So instead of A, you wrote D.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
I do.
Because usually we get an alphabet like this A, B, C or B, C, D, but they have twisted it and they wrote B, C, A. Okay? Okay. Now coming to next one, criteria for congruence of triangles. So first one is SSA game. Over here, all the sides would be equal. Clear? Okay, so first one is SSS. Okay. And the next one would be, let's just do this one. Okay, first we are going to do SSS criteria. So just put a heading first. This. Criteria for congruence of triangle. Just put a heading, then we will do. Criteria for congruence of triangle.
I get it, this one, but it's side into side into side, right?
Yes.
Ma'am, but how do we use it in like real life?
Yes, I'll tell
How
you.
do we,
I'll tell.
because that's what I'm getting confused at in the problem.
Don't worry, I'll tell. You just put a heading. Criteria for congruence of triangles.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Okay. Now the first, what we are going to do is, this is your first one. Okay. SSS criteria. Okay. So in this, if under this given correspond, the three sides of one triangle are equal to three corresponding sides of another triangle, then the triangle are congruent. Just like this.
Ma'am, I think I wrote the heading wrong. What's the heading again?
The heading is this. Criteria for congruence of triangles.
Yes, ma'am, you can scroll down. I wrote it correctly.
Okay, so first criteria is SS congruence criteria. So just write it. Okay, then I'll explain you how to use this. Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done.
Ma'am, we all are done. Ma'am.
Okay, done both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's just do the next one. Okay. Now I will tell you how to utilize this in your daily to daily. Not daily to daily, matlab in means that.
While doing the question.
Yes. So this is your question. Okay. Now in this question, okay, I just lost my pen. Oh, got it. Over here, they have not given you any figure. Okay. So they have just told you that there is in a triangle ABC. So let's just draw one triangle. This. Okay. A, B, and C. Okay. And let's just make another triangle called P, Q, R. Clear? Done? Okay, now let's just put AB is 3.5. AB is 3.5. And BC is 7.1. And AC is 5. Now coming to this, PQ is 7.1. QR is 5. Okay. And this PR is 3.5. Clear? First, you will compare whether they have all the sides equal. So like 3.5, yes ma'am, we have 3.5. 5, yes ma'am, we have 5. 7.1, 7.1. Yes ma'am, we can prove them according to sides, side. All the three sides are equal. Okay. Now, when you look at the picture, like for example, if you compare AB and PQ, they are not equal, right? Yes?
Can you
Ma'am,
repeat the
they're
Yeah.
question
equal,
again?
See, over here, if you compare this AB and this PQ, they are not equal, right? This is 3.5, this is 7.1, right? So when you
Yes.
are writing it, so how you will write it? Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. So you will do it like this. AB corresponds to, it's 3.5. So where is this 3.5? This. So AB is corresponds to PR, and in bracket you will write they both are 3.5. Clear? Second would be, for example, BC. Okay, it's 7.1. So here you
Ma'am,
will
I
find
have a
B.
doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, is there any other sign for the correspondence?
Corresponds itself says this, or you can just write it like equals. This is the only sign like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am, we have to just write the what are equal. Like
Yes.
3.5 is
Yes.
equal to
What is equals to what?
5.
Okay. So
Okay.
this BC is equals to PQ. They both are 7.1. Right? And the third one
Yes,
is your AC. AC would be corresponds to 5 QR. Right? They both are 5 centimeters. Clear? So, after writing
Yes.
this, you will write this. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, and in bracket you will write side criteria. Done?
ma'am. Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Oh,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
you can just quickly note it up.
I'm done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So this is what they have done here. You can see. Right? They just made a triangle like this and they compared it. Clear?
Clear, ma'am.
Okay. Hmm. Uh, okay. Uh, Wait a minute. Hmm. Okay. Can you see this? Example number 3. Just try
Yes,
doing it.
Yes,
Okay, just trying it.
yes, ma'am.
ma'am, we should draw the figure, right?
Yes. Yeah, this is the figure. Okay. Okay. I just need to stop it. Stop the screen, guys. Student, just a minute. Okay. Actually, my writing pad went. Um, just a components of triangles. Okay, I'm just resharing my screen. Let me know if you can see my screen. Fine. Can you see?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You can continue with example number 3. Okay. Let me check if it is working. It's fine.
Ma'am, in this question, like I'm not getting the third
Hmm.
pair.
Okay,
I'm
no
not
problem.
getting.
I'll do this.
Ma'am, I'm not getting it. The question, I'm not getting it.
No problem. I'll discuss.
I'm done. But for the first question, I didn't get the third pair, and I'm not sure if the other two questions are correct.
No issues. Let's just discuss the answer. Okay. So the question says the figure is already given to you, right? Yes or no? You can see this figure. Okay. So this AD is equals to your DC, right? So that means this make a triangle. Okay, wait. No, they have already given you these two triangles. Okay. So one triangle is this. Oh, sorry. One triangle is this and another one is this, right? And this AB is equals to this, right? So state the three pair of equal parts of this. So first, when you are stating it, right? Can you write it like this? AD is equals to CD, AB is equals to CB, right? And
Yes, ma'am.
this BD is equals to BD. Yes or no?
Oh, okay, ma'am.
It's common now. So whenever you write the congruency, AD and CD, how do you know? Ma'am, it's given in the question. This is also given. And they both are the common. Yes?
Ma'am, you can
So
also
that's
write
why
BD.
triangle. Sorry.
Ma'am, you can also write BD equals DB, right?
Yes, you can. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And then you will write triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD. Done? Then next is triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CBD, why or why not? So yes, ma'am, because we
Ma'am,
proved
I
here.
wrote,
Yes, and due
I
to
wrote,
side criteria, they are equal, right?
Ma'am, what I wrote is that yes, they are congruent because all the sides in this figure are equal.
You have to mention the congruency rule. That's why you are studying this rule, na?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Why? Yes, they are congruent because you will mention it by which rule? By SSS congruence rule. Next is, does BD bisect angle ABC? ABC. So BD means they both should be equal. So yes, ma'am, they should be bisect by CPCT. Clear?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the concept of
We didn't
CPCT.
learn CPCT yet.
Ma'am, we didn't learn CPCT. Mm, I think CPCT is congruent parts of congruent triangle. It's like CPCT. It's from there. The short form of congruent parts of congruent triangles. Chakrika, did you heard me?
Yeah, but what I was trying to say is that we didn't learn it yet. I thought we are going to be learning it in
CPCT
higher
is
grades.
that
So
like
yeah.
short. It was a short form congruent parts of congruent triangles. It was written there in the bracket. That is CPCT. I think that I thought
Yeah,
that was
I
a new.
saw that.
No,
Students, can you hear me now?
yes, ma'am, we can hear.
So sorry,
Ma'am,
I just
what
lost that.
happens? Internet issues.
I just lost the network. My Wi-Fi went. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Chakrika, you also?
Yes, ma'am.
So over here, the question was, this was given. They are asking you, this is your question, that whether angle A is equals to angle P or not. Okay, let's just do. So very first thing, what we are going to do is first take this triangle. So in
Not
triangle
doing this.
ABC and triangle
Ma'am, we were
PQR.
not
Yes,
doing
Sindhu?
this. We were not doing this
Sorry.
one. We were not doing this one, ma'am.
No, no, I'm just telling you one concept of CPCT.
Okay.
Okay, this is a hypothetical example. Okay, so this is how you have to start. The question is this, that angle A is equals to angle P or not. So first, what we are going to do, we are going to make them congruent. Okay, so we said that AB is equals to PQ because they both are 2 centimeter. Right? I said that BC is equals to QR because they both are 4 centimeter. I said AC is equals to your PR because they both are 3 centimeters. Yes or no? Yes? And then I wrote this, that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Yes? Now, once you prove that these triangles are congruent, everything A, B, C, anything, they will be equal. Okay. So now you can write, yes, angle A is equals to angle P. Why? You will write CPCD because they are the corresponding part of congruent triangle. CPCD means corresponding part of congruent triangle. Clear? Done? This corresponding part of congruent triangle. So once you prove any two triangle congruent, after that if they ask you anything whether this is equals to that or this is equals to that, you will say yes. Everything will be equal and the reason you will give is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Clear?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, we'll be using CPCT in this grade.
Yes. In the
in this grade and in this chapter?
Yes, we will be. That's why I'm see over here. What they are asking you are they are asking you, does BD bisect angle ABC? Right? Angle ABC, that means ABD. They are asking you that whether ABD is equals to angle CBD. Bisect means equal parts. Right?
Yes,
So that means this angle should be equals to this angle. So what you said, yes ma'am, they both are equal because you proved that this triangle is congruent to this triangle, and the reason what you gave was CPCD, which is corresponding part of congruent triangle. Clear? Fine?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, so you can note it down. This is the format. This is how you have to write your answers. Okay?
Done, ma'am.
Chakrika, you are also done?
Oh, no, ma'am.
Okay. No?
Yes, ma'am. I need 2 more minutes.
Okay, okay. Yes, yes, you can do it.
Very. Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Now the next criteria is SAS. Okay? SAS. Okay. So, ma'am, what is this SAS? You will just quickly write it down. Okay? Yes?
Yes, ma'am. It's side angle side, right?
Hmm. Yes. So, what does side angle? I'm just telling you here. For example, I gave you this two triangle, right? A, B, C, and this another triangle, P, Q, R. Okay. I just gave you that this is 30, right? This is 2 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. And here also 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 30. Right? So when you are proving that triangle ABC and triangle PQR, right? When you are proving them, so at that time, what you will write? First, you will write, ma'am, angle AB. AB is equals to PQ, right? And the reason you will write that they both are 2 centimeter. Okay. And then
Okay,
this
ma'am.
BC is equals to QR. And the reason you will write 5 centimeter. Okay. And see, this AC and this PR, they are not equal. So you cannot write it here. But you can see that this is an angle. They both are equal. So you will write angle A is equals to angle P. And the reason is they both are 30 degree. Okay. So after that you will write that yes ma'am, angle AB, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, right? And the reason will be side, angle, side. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
You
I
can
didn't
note this.
finish the
Sorry.
writing of that. Like the box was written, right?
Okay, okay, okay. You can first write it down. Then you will write this example. Okay. And then I will give you one question. Fine. This will be your second criteria, SAS. Okay. Just write this.
I'm
Okay.
done.
Then
You
after that, you
can
will note down that example. Then I will give you one question. Okay.
then. Done.
Chakrika, you are also done writing this?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but no.
Okay, okay. Do it, do it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I'm done. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, here there are given three sides, but as the third side is not equal, so like as both of them are not same, we apply the SAS rule, right? Only if two
Yes.
sides are equal and an angle.
Yes.
So if they ask if the SAS rule is applied, is it applied? So then if the
SAS
number,
rule is applied, but SSS rule is not applied. Okay.
yes, ma'am, but like
Fine.
if they ask is SAS rule applied over here? So what if they ask the reason, what should we say?
You can say that yes, two sides, as we can clearly see that two sides are equal. That means AB and AB is equals to PQ and AC is equals to PR, right? Like whatever is
Yes, ma'am.
given. And one angle is equal. That's why SAS criteria is being applied here. Okay.
Ma'am, so
You
when
just tell
when
them.
it is, you go on,
Hmm.
ma'am.
No, you tell me what was the question.
Okay, so when so we'll know when to use SAS rule when two sides are not equal in the given figure.
Yes. When all the three sides are not equal.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So you have, whenever you get the figure, you have the criteria. First check all the sides are equal. No, ma'am, just leave it. Then come
Okay,
to the
ma'am.
second one. Just check whether two sides are equal. Yes, like this you have to check. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Sindhu, you are also done writing. Sindhu. Okay, let's just wait for one more minute. Then I'll give you the question.
Ma'am, I think this is done.
She's not replying. Sindhu, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I
Done?
was writing. Sorry.
Okay.
I'm done.
Now done? Okay.
Yes.
Now here you go. I will not tell you anything. You have three things. A, B, C. Read the question. Do it accordingly. Clear? Just make a triangle. Write it. And whatever the question is being asked, just try to attempt that. Clear? Just read the question twice.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, do we have to draw 3 triangles? I mean, basically 6 triangles.
Yes.
We have to draw 6
So then you get
triangles.
yes. Why you need to
Okay.
prove? Because it become easy to
Yes, ma'am. I
compare.
get it. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like suppose BC angle BC is ma'am angle BC is equal to same as angle CB, right?
Uh, suppose you said na.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. Suppose
Yes.
angle
See,
B
you
is
can
equal to
BC or
can
you can
also
write
be
CB.
CB.
They both are the same thing. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
What if no application is valid? Like, what if only 2 of the parts are equal?
And then just leave it. It won't be applicable in essays.
Okay.
Read the question what they are asking.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, symbolic form in the sense?
Sorry.
Symbolic
Symbolic
combination.
not that. Like the what is the symbol of congruence? Clear?
Symbol of
See,
Oh, okay,
symbol.
ma'am. Okay,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes,
And
ma'am.
in the even the corresponding, we are using the symbol, right?
Yes, ma'am. So we just have to name. Um, so we just have to write the name of the triangles, and we should just uh say if they're congruent or not. I mean, write if they're
Yes.
congruent or not.
Yes. With the by using SAS congruence, are they applicable or not? Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Okay, students, should we discuss the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the first one, let's just do the criteria. So for the first one, what do you got? First one is application.